tonight's recipe, chili con carne in a wok. This is about the best pan for it in a van. So first of all, I've already cut the onions, so got some oil heating up, but we always add just a little splash of water, because that way the onions soften but they don't fry. I'll never heat the oil too much before I put the onions in, otherwise they start to fry. So always do the oil from cold, let's say, with a little drop of water. So let these soften up. Take a couple of minutes. Windy out there. I only got it on a low heat as well, not too high. So I've got onions, I've got the mince, we have some red kidney beans. This is the easiest one when doing a chili in a van, chili puree. And then we always use packets of rice in the van. These are the ones that you're supposed to heat up in a microwave or boil in a bag, but we just add them to the pan. It's just as easy. Rice is already cooked, it's just a matter of heating it up. That's the onions softened, so at this point I'm going to add a few garlic granules. Depends how garlic you want it. We're also going to add a few chili flakes, although we've got the puree. It's nice to add a few flakes just to and stir those in. Just like that. Cook another couple of minutes so they get into the onions. Not for long, you don't need to do it for long. And then it's time to add the main ingredient. We've got mince, peel the paper off. Sort of fry the mince off, let it brown, and I'll come back in a couple of minutes. The mince is browning nicely now. Just let it do another few minutes. The mince is all browned now, so now we can do the next bit, which is adding the puree. Now it says a teaspoon is equivalent to what? 1 chili?
A teaspoonful of chopped chili.
Chopped chili. So you could use a teaspoon, or you could just add a load. Stir that in. Don't forget you've already got chili flakes in, so there's already a bit of heat there. You shouldn't have to add any more liquid, because a little bit of fat gives you the liquid that's in the mince. You can see that's going a bit redder now with the chili is mixing in. And once you're happy that's all stirred in and mixed in with all the onion and mince, then you can add the red kidney beans and let them cook through. They don't want to come out. I've already drained this can, obviously. These are in brine. Just stir those in. If you do think it's a bit dry, just add a drop of water to it. Give it a bit more of a runny consistency. And this is the way we like chilli. Obviously, if you want to add other things to it, you can do. Sometimes we do add tins of carrot to it, or a tin of baked beans. But there's plenty here for two. You wanting to help, are you? Are you helping? Are you just learning? Are you going to make this for us in our old age? Are you? And just leave that on a low heat for a few minutes. So that's all heated through. And on the hob for a few minutes. It's time to add the rice. There's all different packet rices out there. This is the golden vegetable rice. We think between two of us, one's going to be enough. So before you rip it open, just break it all up. And then it's just a case of dolloping it in. And again, stir it all in. Make sure it breaks up. I mean, even though you've broken it in the packet, you might need to break it up a little bit more. If you do think it's going a bit dry, just add a drop more water. I think this will be fine. Other things you can add to it if you want to are a little bit of tomato ketchup or brown sauce, a little bit of mustard, English mustard. Do it how you fancy it, really. But again, we're just showing that you can do it all on a hob. You don't need to have an oven in your van, and you can do most of anything in one pan. Just have a variety of pans, different sizes that you can carry easily. I mean, we use the wok a lot. We've got the ridge monkeys, we've got the big ridge monkey type thing that you saw earlier in the video, and we've got a collapsible pan as well. So we can use whatever space you've got. You want to put pans in, basically. The wok is a godsend, really, because you can do so much in it, a variety of different things. Did you know that? You can. The wok is very useful. Look, that's the wok. Don't burn your nose on it though. It's quite a big one. Plenty of room in it. Just let it heat through. So that's it. That's the chilli with the rice, all heated through. It's just time to serve it and enjoy it. You can see one packet of rice has really bulked it up, so for two it's plenty. Time to serve it. Doesn't help that this spoon is quite bendy. That'll do for me. Very nice. Not too hot, not too mild.